Jai Hind students, today we will talk about electrostatics. It is most important topic for 12th board exams, NEET and JEE exams. So first electrostatics, we can divide this word in two parts. First one is electro and second statics. Electro means charge and static means at rest. Electro, charge, static means at rest. If we put any charge at rest and perform some experiment and collect some data for forces, fields and potentials, then we can say that electrostatics deals with the study of forces, fields, potentials arising from static charge. It is called electrostatics. And long years ago, a famous Greek scientist, Thales, nearly 600 years BC, he had performed some experiments on electrostatics. One of that experiment is, if let me draw a comb, plastic comb. This is a plastic comb and these are small pieces of paper. If a plastic comb pass through a dry hairs, the plastic comb get electrically charged, and when these small pieces of paper brought through to the plastic comb, and these small pieces of paper get attracted toward the plastic comb. And another one experiment was, if let me draw a amber rod. This is amber rod and these are pieces of paper, small pieces of paper. When a rod of amber is rubbed with the cat skin or fur, then this amber rod electrically charged and attract some small pieces of paper. So we can say that if any object rubbed to the another object, it will get electrically charged and attract some small bodies toward itself. Amber means, here the word we used, amber, it means electron. From this position, the new word we called electricity, beginning of new word electricity, from these all experiments we can say that electricity, it is a energy due to which a substance acquires the property of attracting the light bodies. If any two objects rubbing each other, then one object gets the property to attract another small bodies. It is called electricity. The type of, next we discuss type of electricity. Mainly electricity is two types. Types of electricity. Electricity, two types. First one is static or frictional. Second one is current electricity. Current electricity. Now we start with the static or frictional electricity. First we talk about frictional electricity. Frictional electricity. The electricity produced on rubbing the two solid objects with each other is called the frictional electricity. If two objects like this one marker and my hands, if we are rubbing each other, then we get produced the frictional electricity. And another one is static electricity. First we talk about static. What is static? Static means anything that does not move or flow or change with time. It is called static. And if the electricity, this kind of electricity, if the electricity is kept stationary, that is not allowed to flow, is called static electricity. If we rubbed two objects like object A and object B, if we rubbing first object to the other object, then this object will get electrically charged and some kind of electrons produced on the surface of first object. If these electrons put at rest, then it is called static electricity. And if these electrons allow to flow to the another object, it is called current electricity. So what is current electricity? When two charged objects or conductors are joined together, the flow of electrons from higher concentration to lower concentration is called current electricity. Now we draw two conductors. First conductor is A and second conductor is B. If both conductors are joined with some kind of wires and the electron from first conductor is allowed to flow to the another conductor is called current electricity, because the electrons are flowing from one object to the another and charge is flowing, so we can say that it is the type of current electricity. If these electrons are in static position, it is called static electricity, and these electrons are produced on rubbing the two solid objects with each other is called frictional electricity. Okay, thank you all.